Aloha, everybody. Got a warm up for you. A couple puzzle type problems here where you're going to try to figure out the missing numbers. Also, some problems where we don't have all the numbers, and that's okay. We can still write what's called an expression to figure out an area, right, to get us closer to the right answer. And the last thing is we're going to be simplifying some expressions, which basically means you're going to be putting the things that you can put together. Okay, you got a bowl of fruit, you want to organize it. You can say, I have 6 oranges, 4 apples, and 3 bananas, right? Put the apples with the apples, the oranges with the oranges, bananas with the bananas. That's called combining like items, right? And what we're going to be doing here is what they call combining like terms. Like terms. Remember what a term is? It's just a part of a problem. X is a term, a 3 is a term, an X, a 6, a 2, right? And some people will call that a positive 3 and call that a negative 2 because the minus, you're going to subtract the 2, right? So let's go ahead and write combine like terms here. So we start getting used to that language. And it doesn't stress us out when we see it on a homework assignment or a test or something, right? We get used to it. Remember, you're going to be bilingual in this class. You learn how to speak English and Mathish, right? Which will make some of you trilingual because you have a third language that you speak, which is pretty cool. Anyway, copy this down, press pause, and then go try all those problems, come back for hints, and definitely come back at the end and see if you got the same answers as me. Okay, welcome back, everybody. You notice those diamonds. We didn't have diamonds yesterday. Last couple of days, we've been doing some other things. But these two numbers, when I multiply, I get 1/4, and I add, I get 1. And this kind of freaks people out. You start saying, wait a minute, I thought I was supposed to get a big number when I multiply. Well, remember, if you multiply something by 1, you get something equal to itself. If you multiply something by something bigger than 1, then it grows, and it can grow fast. But if you multiply something by something less than 1, it'll actually get smaller. And think to yourself, what's 1/2 of 6? That's 1/2 times 6, right? You're multiplying 6 by a number, and you're getting 3, right? It's getting smaller. That can happen when you're doing numbers that are smaller than 1. So you might notice that we're doing fractions on all of these, okay? Okay, what did you get on this? This was 1/2 of 1/2 is 1/4, and 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1/2. How about 1/9 and 1? Well, that one's just not going to work. Mr. Daniels made a mistake on that one. So hopefully you didn't try too hard on that. If it's not working and you're totally stuck, I don't think I have anything that'll work here. I was thinking 1/3 and 1/3, but 1/3 plus 1/3 is not 1/2. It's how much? 2/3. I apologize for that. And I think we're going to have the same type of problem when we get to this because we have 1/16 and 1/2 and 1/4 and 1/4 is not going to make. That's what I was thinking. Can we get there? I mean, I know you can also multiply 1/2 times 1/8. But even that, when I multiply 1/2 times 1/8, I do get 1/16. But when I add a half and an eighth, 1/2 is 4/8, so that gets me 5/8. Gets me closer, but not quite, huh? Right? Just like I could have done 1/2 times 1/9 here, that would give me 1/9 when I multiply, but 1 and 1/9 is too big. It's so. Oh man, I don't know what I was thinking when I did this. Almost want to go back and try this again, but you know what? We'll just go for it. What is going to be the sum here? 1/4 and 1/4 is 2/4. That's 1/2. Okay, now this one, I think I did it right. Oh, hallelujah. Plug your ears. Cowbell from Mr. Daniel. Got one right. Nice. Okay, what we have here? 2/5 and 2/5. 2/5 plus 2/5 is 4/5. And when you multiply fractions, it's easy because you go straight across the top. 2 times 2 and 5 times 5 on the bottom, and that works. Okay. Batting 50% here. That's not good. Be good if you're in baseball, though. Make Hall of Fame doing that then. All right, so what am I going to do here? I have an X, another plus X, and another plus X. That's a total of 3 X's. X plus X plus X can simplify, right? 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 3 times 7. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 3 times 2. So this is the same as 3 times X, or 3X. And then I have a plus 3, a plus 6, and a minus 2. So I'm going to put those pluses together. That's a 9 minus 2 is 7. So 3x plus 7 is this simplified. You see how we did that? Okay, so now I have a m, another m, another m. That's a total of 3, but I'm going to take away 1, right? That's a minus m. Okay, so 3m minus m ends up being 2m. Now I have a plus 8, a minus 3. What's that so far? That's a plus 5, plus 6, 5 and 6, 11. Okay, now I have 3x plus 2x. That's a total of 5x, plus 2 more x. That's a total of 9x, 9 of these things. A plus 18 and a minus 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. That's such a cool word for a number. 14. 4a. Any more a's in there? Yeah. I'm going to subtract 2a. That's a minus 2a. So that's 2a. I'm going to add 6 more a. That's a total of 8a. Now I have a plus 10 and a plus 8. That's a 18 so far. And a minus 3. 18 minus 3 is a 15. Okay. That's how you combine like terms. Okay. Am I going to jinx myself if I say I got 4 in a row that's right? Actually, 5 in a row that's right. Who knows with today, huh? Okay. So I'm going to write an expression for the area. The area is this times this. Well, x meters times 12 meters is 12x square meters. That's all you do. Now, what is that equal to? Well, I don't know unless I figure out what x is. Then I can tell you how much it is. But right now it's simplified, and I have that expression. When I do find out what x is, I can just go substitute and do 12 times whatever it is. Okay? All right, how about this one? Again, the area of a parallelogram is how wide it is at the bottom and how tall it is. So I don't care about that 4 for the area. I care about the b and the 3. So the area is, and this is inches, 3 times b square inches. That's it. Okay. Now for this one, the area of a triangle, remember the area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. All right. If you don't have that written down a bunch of places, go write it down. Okay. Now the base is 12 and the height is 7. So I don't care about this a plus 2 or that a for the area. All right. I'm going to do 7 times 12 and take half of it. Now, what is half of 12? It's 6. So I can actually simplify this all the way down to an answer. Half of 12 is 6, and 6 times 7, 42, and this is square centimeters. So my expression, I could simplify down to a number, basically get the answer. Now in this bottom half, we're going to do the perimeter for each of these. Now the perimeter for rectangle is x plus 12, but I got to go all the way around, plus another x, plus another 12. X plus 12 plus x plus 12. Let's go combine like terms. The two x's together. X plus x is the same as 2 times x, or 2x. 12 plus 12 is 24. And I'm going to put 2x plus 12, or 2x plus 24 square meters. I'm sorry, meters. This is perimeter. Don't do square meters for perimeter. Do square meters for area. So the perimeter is 2x plus 24 meters long. Okay. All right. Same thing here. I care about this b. I care about this 4. I don't care about that 3 if I'm building a fence around this. I'm getting the perimeter I got 4 plus B plus 4 plus B. That is 2B or not to be. No, 2B plus 4 and 4 is 8. 2B plus 8 inches. Okay, triangle. I have A plus 12 plus A plus 2. A plus 12 plus A plus 2. I'm going to combine the 12 and the 2 to get 14. And the A plus A equals 2A. 2A plus 14 centimeters equals the perimeter. Okay. All right, all sorts of new things happening today. This time, we've done a couple of these before. It's sort of a puzzle problem. I'm going to work backwards. The area is 108 square meters. The base down here is 12, and we don't know what the height is, but we want to figure it out. Well, remember, the area of a rectangle is just the base times the height, right? 12 times h equals 108. So you're trying to figure out 12 times what is 108. And you can do that in all sorts of ways. One way is to divide 12, but some people are real good with their facts, and they recognize, right, that 9 times 12 is 9 tens, 90, 9 twos is 18, and 18 and 90, 108. So h must equal 9. And if the area was square meters, the height is 9 meters tall. Parallelogram, the area is 88 square inches. The base, we don't know. This side is 10. Do we care? No, not for the area. But we care how tall it is. So 8 times this is 88, right? Base times the height equals the area. And we don't know the base, but we know the height is 8. We know the area is 88. What times 8 is 88? 11. And this is going to be 11 inches because the area is square inches. Okay, hopefully you did well on this. And I apologize for making those mistakes, right? I did not do it on purpose just to see if you were paying attention. Okay, I'm human and I make mistakes, sometimes too many. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can go a few days without one. All right, have a good one, everybody.